Someday, in the not-so-distant future, it happens. The moment you realize you're ready for anything. Get a degree in emergency management from Jacksonville State University and be ready for where you're going.
This is the Weather Xtreme video for Friday, May 16th. I'm James Spann. A few showers over the weekend, the better rain opportunities over the Tennessee Valley of extreme North Alabama. Let's go in there and take a look at things. Big, deep upper trough over the eastern half of the United States. That is responsible for some very chilly air to start this day. Look at Fort Payne up in the northeastern corner of the state. They are sitting at 39 here in mid-May. Gadsden 43, Anniston 45. We'll expect a high in the low 70s today, but next week will be warmer. Around the nation, it's pretty chilly, about the only warmth down in South Florida and back over the southwest United States. Flash flood watches and warnings up for parts of the Northeast, Washington, D.C., Baltimore, up into upstate New York. And look at all the freeze warnings from Missouri north to the Canadian border, including some places up around the Great Lakes. Here's the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Wednesday morning of next week. And you can see up in the Tennessee Valley, Huntsville, the Shoals, Scottsboro, rain amounts of maybe 1/2 to 1 inch up there. The amounts are much lighter down our way, and no rain at all for the southern half of the state. Here's a GFS, the OZ run, valid at 1 o'clock this afternoon. This is at 500 millibars, big trough over the east. And down below that, look at the 540 line, almost down to Nashville. And the air aloft, very cold, so despite the dry air at the low levels, the air will be somewhat unstable, but we think the low dew points will prevent any significant chance of rain today. We'll call it partly sunny with a high in the low 70s, still over 10 degrees below average. Now, tomorrow, this is where it gets a little tricky with this rain. You can see the GFS kind of hinting the better chance of rain near the Tennessee border. This is the high-res NAM, valid at 6 o'clock tomorrow morning as the day begins, and it should be raining, maybe some thunder over the Tennessee Valley. Again, Muscle Shoals, Athens, Huntsville, maybe as far south as US 278, but again, this is suggesting the better chance of rain north of Interstate 20. And this is 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Same deal. It's raining up near the Tennessee border, Huntsville and Scottsboro, but down here we're dry. So the chance of rain tomorrow all depends on where you live. As you go farther south, no rain at all south of Interstate 20. And really, let's take a look at Sunday. This time the model is suggesting the rain could be a bit farther to the south. In fact, if this is right, Sunday morning at 7 o'clock, rain could be falling for places like Hamilton, Cullman, Aniana, and Gadsden, maybe Birmingham and Anniston. So Sunday could start off wet in those areas, and then by Sunday afternoon at 1, it looks relatively dry, maybe just a few showers. And understand timing these little spokes rotating around the trough is very difficult. We're just going to mention a chance of showers over the weekend. Certainly not going to rain all weekend long. The sun should be out at times, but clearly the heaviest and most widespread rain should be up near the Tennessee border. There's the GFS on Sunday, and again, suggesting the better chance of rain would be north of Interstate 20. It's Sunday afternoon at 1 o'clock. But next week, the rain chances go away. This is Monday. Sky will be sunny, the high back around 80. And here's Tuesday. You can see the deal, a large upper high developing near Shreveport. Big trough in the western states, but for us, it's going to be sunny and warm day with highs up in the middle 80s. This is Wednesday, upper 80s are likely. Thursday, same deal, bright sunny weather. And a week from today, sunny and warm, maybe flirting with 90. So all of next week looks warm and dry with no rain. But there are a few more days, the 27th of May, pretty good trough coming in here, and that's suggesting it could be a wet, maybe stormy. And then at the end of the forecast on the 31st, the air should be a little drier for the northern half of the state, if that's correct. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. My next video will be Monday morning at 7. Brian Peters, the man that looks like Colonel Sanders. We'll have the video updates here tomorrow and Sunday. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.